Hey, what's going on, guys? Your name here, and let me guess, you're looking for a new laptop, but your budget is tight. The pressure is on. You see 1,000 different models online, all claiming to be the best value. It's a minefield out there. One wrong click and you could be stuck with a slow, laggy plastic brick that can't even run a web browser properly. I've seen it happen. But what if I told you that after testing dozens of the latest models, I found 5 hidden gems that deliver performance that will shock you? Laptops that can handle gaming, video editing, and serious work, all for a price that seems impossible. In this video, I'm revealing my top 5 picks that will save you from buyer's remorse and get you an incredible machine without destroying your wallet. Number 3 will completely change what you think is possible for under. Let's dive in. Starting at number 1. Acer Aspire 3 i315-24P. Coming in at under $500, this Aspire is a simple and effective Windows laptop that delivers smooth performance on everyday tasks, making it our pick for the best budget laptop for just about anyone. Packed with decent AMD Ryzen processing power, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, and a battery that lasts nearly 17 hours, the Aspire offers a great value for its price. Value-focused buyers, this budget laptop is an excellent choice for anyone who wants a powerful machine for everyday computing that won't blow their budget. You won't get premium design or a high-quality display, but you'll get a long battery life at an affordable price point. You can find laptops less than this, but they're likely to leave you wanting more. Users with basic needs, this Acer Aspire will work well for anyone who needs a reliable laptop for basic web browsing and light office tasks. You'll need to look elsewhere for a laptop for entertainment or demanding applications. If tracking your bills and surfing the web are your primary needs, this laptop is a fine fit. Number 2. MSI Katana 15HX. Nailing down affordable PC gaming gear isn't always easy, but the MSI Katana 15HX is a top-notch 1080p gaming laptop available for less than $1,000 on sale. With an Intel Core HX processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5050 GPU, this laptop drives steady frame rates in more high-end PC games than ever. We especially appreciate this system's battery life and DLSS 4 graphics rendering tricks, though its 512GB SSD fills up quickly. Budget-strapped gamers, the MSI Katana 15HX works best for gamers who prioritize decent performance at an entry-level price. The new GPU is especially effective at bridging the raw performance gap using DLSS 4 resolution scaling and frame generation, but it's not without its trade-offs. You'll need to be prepared to accept some compromises, such as a dim display and limited storage, to achieve playable frame rates at 1080p resolution in the latest PC games. Kids who are new to gaming, if your child is just getting interested in PC games, the MSI Katana 15HX is a great first gaming laptop choice. This machine is a relatively inexpensive investment that won't hinder a child's introductory experience with PC gaming. It's also great for completing basic schoolwork. Number 3. Dell Inspiron 14 2-in-1, 7445. If you want a budget-friendly laptop that converts into a tablet, our top recommendation for a budget 2-in-1 is the Dell Inspiron 14 2-in-1, 7445, thanks to its impressive design, battery life, and above-average speakers. This convertible laptop is stylish. The polished build looks fancier than its affordable price might suggest, but sturdy enough to hold up to daily use. It also features a broad port selection, delivers respectable battery life, and even squeezes in surprisingly good speakers. Budget-conscious hybrid users, this laptop is a fine fit for those who appreciate the 2-in-1 experience of a convertible laptop but need to keep costs low. You won't get the most impressive display quality or performance output that higher-end 2-in-1s offer, but you will have a reliable device that looks and sounds great. Number 4. Asus Chromebook Plus CX34, 2025. Asus updated Chromebook Plus CX34, 2025, offers features we'd expect from a mid-range Windows laptop, but comes in at less than $500, making it our top recommendation for best budget clamshell Chromebook. This Chromebook is an excellent value for your money with an upgraded Intel Core i5 processor and a comfortable design. Top it all off with AI-enhanced tools and ample connectivity options, and you get an attractive clamshell that has become our new favorite, popularly priced Chromebook. Value-focused laptop users, this Chromebook is well suited for anyone on a restrictive budget who wants a powerful laptop for a low price. Users looking to spend $500 or less who want the best possible combination of performance and features should consider this Asus model. General Chromebook fans, this laptop is ideal for anyone already familiar with Google's Chromebook brand who wants a dependable machine. This Chromebook Plus model will prove a reliable clamshell for everyday tasks, providing a comfortable typing experience and a potent processor to get the work done. Number 5. HP Chromebook Plus X360. The HP Chromebook Plus X360 is our favorite budget convertible Chromebook due to its colorful touchscreen, versatile design, and AI features. Beyond its unbeatable price, you'll enjoy a smooth touchscreen, portable design, and access to Google's Chromebook Plus program, complete with exclusive AI perks, such as enhanced webcam images and a 12-month trial of Google's premium Gemini AI assistant. Elementary school students, this is a fitting Chromebook for young students, whether at home or in the classroom. This HP model is a capable and affordable partner for online productivity and schoolwork, presenting a flexible 2-in-1 design with a vibrant touchscreen at a budget-friendly price. Budget-strapped 2-in-1 fans, this laptop is a good choice for people on a tight budget who want a reliable Chromebook. It's a reliable Chromebook with plenty of helpful features, but you'll need to be willing to forego luxuries like a backlit keyboard or an HDMI port. And there you have it, the 5 budget laptops and that genuinely deserve your hard-earned money. Whether you're a student, a creator, or just need a reliable daily driver, one of these is going to be your perfect match. Now, to make your life incredibly easy, I've compiled direct links to every single laptop we talked about. No more endless searching. All the product links for your buy are in the video description down below. I've also included the best current deals I could find. If this video saved you time, money, and a major headache, please do me a massive favor, hit that like button, share this with a friend who's also looking for a laptop, and subscribe to the channel for more no-nonsense tech guides. We have a video coming up next week where I pit these budget kings against a MacBook. You won't believe the results. Thanks for watching, stay savvy, and I'll see you in the next one.